Aerospace is advancing, but advanced aircraft do not become real through design alone. They need manufacturing processes that can keep up. Lighter structures, more complex geometries, tighter production demands, greater pressure to move from possibility to repeatability. Superplastic forming has long been valued for complex, lightweight formed parts, but the challenge has been time. GO-SPF changes that. Controlled gas pressure oscillations, faster forming, shorter cycles. In recent trials, GO-SPF proved to be 200 to 1,000% faster than conventional SPF with improved part quality. That kind of shift matters because aerospace does not just need lighter, more complex parts. It needs a better way to produce them. Farnborough is focused on advancing aerospace, and GO-SPF is one way that advancement is showing up on the manufacturing floor. Connect with Macrodyne to learn more about GO-SPF